Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the Brother SE700 sewing and embroidery machine, wireless LAN connected, 135 built-in designs, 103 built-in stitches, computerized, 4" by 4" hoop area, 3.7" touchscreen display, 8 included feet, white. Are you ready to unlock a world of creativity and precision in your sewing and embroidery journey? Because that's exactly what the Brother SE700 promises to deliver, and I'm excited to dive into its features and see if it lives up to the hype. So who is this machine for? Well, if you're a beginner looking to get started with sewing or embroidery, the SE700 is an excellent choice. Its user-friendly interface, built-in designs, and versatile stitch options make it perfect for those just starting out. And even seasoned sewists and embroiderers will appreciate the machine's advanced features and precision. But what really sets the SE700 apart is its flexibility. With its wireless LAN connectivity and mobile app integration, you can transfer files from your computer to the machine or create custom designs on the go. It's like having a personal assistant for your embroidery needs, wherever you are. One feature that really caught my eye is the 4" by 4" embroidery field. This might sound small, but trust me, it's perfect for precision work. The included hoop and embroidery arm make it easy to maneuver and adjust, giving you complete control over every stitch. And then there's the touchscreen display, a beautiful 3.7" LCD color screen that makes editing and previewing designs a breeze. It's like having an in-machine editor right at your fingertips. Of course, no machine is perfect, and some users have reported issues with the software download process. But overall, customers rave about the SE700's performance, ease of use, and value for money. In my experience, the SE700 delivers on all fronts, from its impressive stitch options to its seamless design transfer process. It's clear that Brother has put a lot of thought into making this machine accessible and user-friendly for sewists and embroiderers of all levels. So is the Brother SE700 worth your money? In my opinion, it's definitely worth considering, especially if you're looking for a reliable, versatile machine that will take your sewing and embroidery skills to the next level. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced craftsperson, this machine has something to offer. If this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews.